How to add new toolbar in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I open the Fusion page and I want to create another toolbar like this one that you can see above the Nodes panel. Right-click on the toolbar and select Customize, Create Toolbar. Set a name for it, and click OK. Now you have to remove these icons from this current toolbar and add the one that you want. Right-click on one of the nodes in each group and select Customize, Remove Group. Now we have an empty toolbar. Open up the Effects panel, expand the tools, and click on any of the tools. Drag some of the nodes you like to the toolbar. Also, you can press Shift plus space, search for a node, and add it to the composition. Then drag the node into the toolbar. To add a divider after a node, right-click on a node and select Customize, Add Divider. You also can drag the icons around to reorder them. If you don't want to be able to reorder icons, right-click on the toolbar and select Locked. To rename a toolbar, right-click on the toolbar and make sure your toolbar is selected, and select Customize, Rename Toolbar. Rename it, and click OK. To select other toolbars, right-click on the toolbar, and choose another toolbar. To delete a toolbar, right-click on the toolbar and make sure your toolbar is selected, and select Customize, Remove Toolbar. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.